Are you a dessert enthusiast looking to unleash your creativity and experiment with delightful frozen treats right at home? Look no further than the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe, the ultimate ice cream maker that goes above and beyond to satisfy your sweet cravings. With this versatile appliance, you can create classic ice cream, sorbet, and gelato, or dive into a world of new and exciting treats like Italian ice, slushy, creamiccino, frozen yogurt, and frozen drinks. Let's delve into the features that make the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe a must-have addition to your kitchen. The Ninja CREAMi Deluxe is more than just an ice cream maker. It's a powerhouse of frozen treat possibilities. With its slushy, Italian ice, frozen drink, creamiccino, and frozen yogurt functions, you can effortlessly create a variety of scoopable and drinkable treats that will impress family and friends alike. Here are the key features of Ninja NC501 CREAMi Deluxe 1-in-1 Ice Cream and Frozen Treat Maker. More treats, more fun. The larger CREAMi Deluxe pints hold an impressive 50% more ice cream than the original Ninja CREAMi. Treat the whole family to scrumptious frozen delights without worrying about running out. Double the fun, double the flavor. Embrace the flexibility of turning one frozen base into two finished flavors. The Ninja CREAMi Deluxe allows you to enjoy one flavor from the top half of the deluxe pint and save the rest for later. It's like having two treats in one, customized to your heart's desire. Take control of your ingredients and cater to your dietary preferences with ease. Whether you're following a low-sugar, keto, dairy-free, or vegan lifestyle, the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe empowers you to create personalized frozen treats that suit your unique taste. Easy to use, easy to clean. Creating a delectable creamy treat is a breeze with the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe. In 3 simple steps, prepare your base, freeze overnight, process, and enjoy. Cleanup is equally hassle-free, as the containers, lids, and paddle are all top-rack dishwasher safe. Revolutionary Creamify technology, powered by dual-drive motors and the XL Professional Creamerizer paddle. The Ninja CREAMi Deluxe finely shaves and transforms ice particles into velvety smooth treats and frozen drinks. Indulge in the creamy goodness with every bite. Get creative with mix-ins. Unleash your inner chef and customize your frozen treats to perfection. Mix in your favorite chocolate, nuts, candy, fruit, and more to elevate the flavor and texture of your creamy creations. Compatibility made easy. The Ninja CREAMi Deluxe is compatible with the Ninja CREAMi NC500 Pint accessories. Please note that it will not fit the NC100, NC200, NC299, and NC300 series pints. Check the SKU number at the bottom of your unit to ensure compatibility. Respin for extra creaminess. Not satisfied with the texture after the first processing round? No worries. The respin function lets you achieve an even softer and creamier frozen treat, catering to your preferred consistency. The package includes the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe comes with the motor base with dual drive motors, XL Professional Creamerizer paddle, 24 Oz, CREAMi Deluxe pints with storage lids, and an outer bowl and lid to house the pint while processing. In conclusion, the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe is the ultimate kitchen companion for every dessert lover and aspiring frozen treat connoisseur. Embrace the joy of creating endless ice cream and drinkable delights with its versatile functions and advanced Creamify technology. From classic favorites to innovative experiments, the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe unlocks a world of frozen bliss. Elevate your dessert game and indulge in the sweetest moments with this exceptional ice cream maker.